everybody, I'm Allison Pynn, Yandy's makeup artist, and since you've already seen our Yandy Glam video, that's the jumping off point I'm going to build on right now. I'm going to be making it a pirate, but it's essentially just like a smoky eye and contouring, so you could use it for so many different Halloween looks. I'm going to show you how. So I'm essentially going to be creating just a really sultry, deep smoky eye right now. And again, you can use this look for pretty much anything. I mean, you know us girls, we like to hit the glam. Whatever it is, it's like an angel, whatever we're doing, but with smoky eyes, right? So I'm extending our smoky eye all the way out to the brow, like the end of the brow here. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be this like perfectly blended situation. It can be a little messy, just a little. Now I'm going in with a black cream eyeshadow. You could use whatever black you've got, but I do love how a black cream, you could even use your eyeliner and just start on this outer edge here, bring it out, run in the corner and close, and then run it along your lash line. Again, it does not have to be super precise or perfect, especially pirate smoky eyes are like considered a little rough around the edges. Next, I'm gonna throw in some thick black mascara. And then move on to some contouring, hollow out those cheekbones. So I'm throwing some serious contour right in the hollow of her cheekbones. And since this is Halloween, we don't want subtle here. We want some drama, especially with these eyes. So if you've always wanted to master or just hit some serious contour, but you were a little scared because it wasn't really day appropriate or whatever, this is your time to hit it. I'm gonna throw in a bit more highlighter, just so all of the dimensions around her face pop. Now throwing on just a quick nude lip, kind of a nudie pink shade on Lauren. And for her hair, I'm going to take those Yandy waves and just pump up the volume a little bit. And then spray a little beach spray on top of that. So I've got all of her beach spray in, her hair's really big. Now from here, to make it piratey, I'm going to just braid up a couple of pieces of her hair. Now for a pirate, we want these little braids to look kind of messy and almost like a dread. So this is a fun little trick. Instead of using a hair tie to tie off the end of the braid, I throw a little hairspray right on the bottom and like a little teasing brush and just push up on it. And it kind of locks in the end of the braid. Like that. And then you've got this like kind of cool fraying at the end. Spray it one more time just to lock it in. And then take the braid and start smushing it. And then take it up like this and start pulling it up so it looks like an aged braid. Like maybe you did this braid like 3 days ago, right? So do this to a couple pieces around the front of your face and then you've got a super sexy pirate. This is our finished pirate look, but again, you could take the same makeup and apply it to so many looks for Halloween. As we all know, we love like a glam eye anyway, and a lot of contouring, why not? It's great for any costume.
By checking in.
Thank you.
Hey YouTube, it's Jamiletta Giola. If we left you satisfied, prove it by checking out our channel. And don't forget to subscribe.